Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the company named DCX System. So tomorrow is the result. So let's know about the company. So what company does is basically, uh, one sec. This is basically into Indian defense space, whether it's a railway or aero defense. So I was going through their last con call and I found out some interesting fact about these companies. So let's go through the first rates. So D6 system is now it's around about 360 with a book value of 61.3. Stock P is 45, high is 393, low is 138. So it's a 2011 company which is into business of system integration and cable wire harnessing. So let's see. This is the the maximum rate. I think it has gone 300 after IPO, and then went down up to 145, 138 level, and now it is on 350 with high of 360 around 393 this is, but it's showing 369 here. So let's see. So company has got a good track record. 3-year ROE is 36.5%. And if we see the quarter variation sale, this last quarter they did some 2.1 rupees EPS with a 20 rupees net profit. So let's go through the balance sheet. Their equity capital is 19, reserve is 573, borrowing is 409, and so asset is approximately 26 crore, which is increased. So 9 crore they have increased. They have some manufacturing facilities in Bangalore. So I will just go through the shareholding pattern is 62.3, and then there is a FIA. Now there is a new FIA which is BofA Security Europe, which has taken 6.75%, and I think there is 2.11%, and then DI, there is one DI has entered, which is HDFC Large Cap and Colorado Venture Capital Fund. So if you see, there is a drop in the shareholding because these two, one FIA, one DI has purchased the stake recently. So let's go through, the last, because this will give us guidance. This was released on October last year and 31st October 2023. So I'll just go through this some of the. So what they do, see, this company has now updated investor on the latest development milestone of a company. I'm very pleased to announce what Mr. Rao, the MD, is telling, that they have announced a 100% owned subsidiary called Renal Advanced System. So for this system also they came with IPO, and the money has been utilized partly for the Renal Advanced System. So now it is operational since September 2023. So let's go another point. They have a joint venture with Israeli called ELTA System Limited, which is 100% owned and controlled by the government of Israel. So last 3 years they have been working for this joint venture. They have signed recently this year. What ELTAs do? So basically, they are into within. They are working with railway RDSO for last 4-5 years. It has been proven global technology, and the only global solution available with this ELTA. No, ELT is working with the Indian Railway RDSO. In fact, they installed 4-5 years. They are working with the railway department to achieve this trial thing. So what they do basically, they have a system which has been implemented in the Indian Railway Center, and trials has been taken off. Now, this month they have a major trial, so you'll come to know what happened to that. And so what they are, so basically they are into this, the railway safety systems they have. So what they say, they have 14,000 locos are available, and now 34,000 crores has been allocated for upgradation of technology. So they are going to participate in these tenders in the coming month through with ELTA. So they have two. One is ELTA they are working with, and then another one is, as I mentioned, they have opened a subsidiary called Renal Advanced System. So let's go through that. What they say about. So this is JV EBITDA. They talk about the EBITDA, which I'm going to show it there. So they have got 10 crore investment on the Renal joint venture project. So let's go through. So the order book is 1250 crore to between 1250 and 1260 crore, which is 1 year. And the management is confident that next month they are going to, they have expanded business to India, like USA and European market. So they don't see any problem in acquiring more purchase order. System integration is on the majority of their revenue. System integration is probably 70%. Rest of things is with cabling and fitting. So so they are confident 66% system integration. So system integration, basically the card system that they are working on. Let's see. So they have also identified through MOD now, which has declared a 120 billion. It has to be, they have for next 7 to 8 years. So there's a big number. So they are also ready for this opportunity, and they may tie up or with the existing or for the JV to work out this opportunity. And ELTA, the first company to establish in Israel, because 50.1% is by DCX and 49.9% by ELTA in the JV. So I'm not going through this. I'm just highlighting the important point from this. Yes. So what they say, they have, EBITDA, they have improved because of the forex loss. What they had 30 years, now they have zero forex loss. So they have a certain system which, since they import a lot of their product, basically to vendors of outside India. So they have given, now they have taken care of. So they made a nil forex loss last quarter, and they wanted to do the same in the coming quarter. So that's why the EBITDA has improved. And as I said earlier, they are again getting to venture into Israel, India, and European market apart from US market. So for PCB, so they finally 70% will be done by Raniel procurement wise, and 30% will be out. So sorry, 70% is from Renal, and we expect to do 30-40% now. So Renal will be doing their 70% of PCB jobs. And they have recently added a new client called MTech client in USA. So they have 30 vertical of business. They just started six division with that, and most of them into power and control systems. So they are working with they have a new client, MTech client from USA. Apart from that, I don't see much. So anyway, so let's see, their result are coming tomorrow. So I expect them, some good result, and if the result is good, I expect the price to move faster, like it happened in Azad Engineering. It went down from, as I'm in my previous video, you'll see now today it is in upper circuit. So I'm confident that DCX, if its result goes good, if you see the last 2 quarter result, which is 170 crore to 309 crore. March they have 511 crore. December they have 356 crore. And now they have from June to September they have 20 crore, 10 to 20 crore. The net profit is double. So I'm confident that tomorrow result, once it comes, there will be good movement. Plus this since they have joint venture, I will suggest you for long-term investment, not for short-term, because probably within 1 or 2 years you will see, if they get some good order, so this will maybe jump into 2x or 3x. So my goal is basically to find companies which can grow much faster, and we have to invest like in a stagnant manner also. Otherwise you can put a large quantity also. There is absolute no issue. Even if it is go less than this price, you have to hold on. But I'm confident of the once the market news comes about a good result, this project will move, this company DCX system will move much faster. Thank you.